Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm whispering because I feel like it's super echoey, and I apologize in advance for the audio of this video. I don't know who I'm apologizing to, but it's whatever. This is not my best work, probably not the worst one either. But today I'm going to be doing a little tour of my tiny little apartment. I'm going to be sharing this apartment with someone else, so it's not all mine, but this is a 2-bedroom flat. Or apartment, whatever people want to call it these days, but it's a 2-bedroom apartment in Hitchin in Hertfordshire. And before I start talking too much, I'm going to show you the actual apartment so you can see it for yourself. I really like this. It's like a little sunroof up on here. So this is like what you get when you come in. There's like a little, what do you call these things again? I don't know, a telephone thing. So that's there. This is the hallway. I'm using my actual camera rather than my phone camera because I wanted to give you the actual size of the building. So this is like your walkway when you come into the house from that door. I'm not sure what room this is gonna be, but it's quite interesting the way that it's laid out. Because you've got the rooms. It's very echoey in here, but you've got the rooms basically all lined up in this way. So this is one of the first ones that I've come in. The window is double glaze. So you've got this one here that I can touch, which is a lot newer, and then you've got the one outside. It's all been done up recently. So this is going to be my room actually. So it's like the last one on the hallway. I'm not sure actually, I'm still thinking. Do I want to take this one? Do I want to take another one? But it's got 2 windows. It's got a window that goes outside. A window that way, sorry, I should say. The sound in here is a lot better. I got that mattress put in today. Honestly, that was really difficult to bring upstairs, and that's why I'm panting. And then you've got like a central heating, which is nice. This is outside. You've got like a little pub outside the window. Gonna make sure that I have those shots all the time because we don't want to be giving people, you know, a different type of entertainment, if you get what I mean. This is the door. I'm gonna turn on the lights. I realized later on actually it hasn't got bulbs. It's got these ceiling light, but it's a fairly, I don't even know if I can say it's a large room. It's bigger than average, but it's not large. It's okay for like a UK house where the rooms are normally pretty tiny. It's not too shabby. I'm going to show you the last room here, or the first one when you come into the door, depending on how you want to look at it, which is this one. It's very echoey as well. So I'm gonna close the door so it's not too echoey. I don't know why this one is so echoey. This is what you get with this room. It's very simple as well, similar stuff. There's a lot of extension things there, circuits. What are those things called? Sockets? I don't even know. One of those things, anyway. You've got a few of those in the room, which I think is nice. The room feels like a little bit like a shell. In the sense that there isn't much to them. Like you've just got rooms and that's pretty much it. What else? Oh yeah, I haven't showed you the bathroom. Oh no, this is the kitchen, sorry. I'm not even sure where in the house. Ouch. So this is the kitchen. It's actually a big kitchen, not gonna lie. It's fairly, like this is me standing here and this is the kitchen. But yeah, anyway. But yeah, you've got your hob here with the time. Don't know, is that correct? 16, 17? It's about an hour late. I'm not sure why one of the numbers is not showing. But it's all new. Everything in the house is new. The oven is new. You got like a little flashback stuff here. Your extraction fan as normal. You got your kitchen sink. Nothing special about that as well. Everything's all new. What else? There's a lot of space. This is like your washing machine. Thankfully that's new as well. They just put that in. The house didn't have any and we had to ask them to put it in. I really wish that like a dishwasher would have gone in here, and I must admit, if I do find a dishwasher at a reasonable price, I feel like I might buy some anyway. I'm gonna convince my flatmate that we should get a dishwasher because I think I've become a bit bougie, guys. I don't know what's happening. What else? This is your cabinets. There's a lot of space in a lot of them. What else? Oh gosh, I don't even know which way they're open. It's not very helpful. But there's a lot of space, which I really appreciate because I didn't have a lot of that in my other house. Here you've got some other space for your boiler and stuff, with some cabinets down here as well. The lights are ceiling lights as well. Probably should have done the video with that light on, but never mind. So yeah, this is the door when you come into the house, and one room here, one room here, another room here. Oh, I haven't showed you the bathroom, silly me. So this is the bathroom. Same thing again, you've got spotlights. Where the hell do those come on from? I have no idea. Where do those come on? Ooh, these taps are fancy. They're like the ones that look like thingy bobs. So you have that. It's like a little river. Be quite difficult to clean, but whatever. It doesn't feel very like full. When I'm trying to wash my face, like it doesn't feel like a lot of space. It doesn't have a lot of volume. And I tend to like places that have a lot of volume. That doesn't. But you've got like a little drawer here. It's not a lot, not gonna lie. Not a lot of stuff here for space. But I'm sure we could potentially buy some cabinets that we could put underneath there for storage space if we want that. The mirror here is nice. You've got like some tiny little storage thing here with some more mirrors, which I'm not sure. It's like mirrors everywhere. It's a mirror at the front of this and at the back of this, mirror here as well. Yeah, it's not the biggest bathroom in the world. Not the smallest one in the world really either. But yeah, at least it's got a window. I really appreciate when bathrooms have windows, because like a lot of the bathrooms that I've had in the past, they don't have windows and they can get very moldy. Not moldy, but like steamy, if you get what I mean. I'm trying to think. Oh, this is how you turn on the lights for the bathroom. So yeah. Also, probably should have done the video in the bathroom with these lights on. I think that's it. I think it's a wrap. I feel like the house could have been so much better if we had some things. I'm gonna go where it's a little bit less echoey, which is my room. I don't know how sound works actually, because in my room, which I really appreciate, because obviously my room, I'm gonna be doing some filming here, it's not very echoey, so I love that. I don't think it's the best deal that we could have gotten. The price is quite expensive. It's like a high price point, considering that it's only got one bathroom and it doesn't have a balcony. That's what I feel. I think maybe if you start to put like things like the location into place, like there's a pub outside, which I'm hoping isn't going to be too noisy, then you're like, oh, okay, you know, it's right in the middle of town and all that jazz. And it does have a really nice vibe to it. It's really funny because like my old self would be so excited to be here because I used to love being in the center of things, and I used to hate like residential houses in the UK. I hated them so much. Like I was like, oh my god, it's so moody and depressing. All of the greenery is just like and the weather is never really nice. But yeah, I just feel like for the money, and I know how much like the extra difference would have made to me, you get what I mean, like in terms of saving towards other things. But I think at some point you just sort of have to bite the bullet. As I said in my last video, we didn't have a lot of choice in terms of like, basically we didn't really have a lot of choice. Yeah, there's some properties that are coming on the market that are a lot better than these ones, but I've been looking and I don't think any of them actually, since we actually got this place, which was like a month ago, and now I don't think we would have found anything. So yeah, I think it's one of those ones where I think I'm happy being here for the year where we've got a contract for this place, and if after the 1 year I'm like, oh well, I don't really like the place that much, or I want to move somewhere else, then I can do that. Instead of staying in the place that I'm staying in right now, which I'm getting increasingly uncomfortable living there. Like I think I'm done really. So yeah, I don't know. I'm hoping for the best. It's really scary actually. I didn't think that I would be this nervous like trying to move in, but I am. I don't know what I'm nervous about. I actually have no idea what I'm nervous about. Because it's like, it's not that far away from the town that I live in. I don't have that much ties with the town that I'm living in at the moment, and it's not that far. They're all still in Hertfordshire. I drive, I can get around. But for some reason in my mind, I'm just like, oh my god, I'm moving. Oh my god, this is different, this is new. It's right in the middle of town as well, which, like I said, in terms of noise, it's a bit like, ooh, how noisy is it gonna get? But as I'm in the house right now, I cannot hear a single sound. Yep, no, can't hear nothing. So I feel like whatever job they've done with the walls and the silencing, they did a really, really good job. So yeah, but I've got some stuff outside that I need to pick up and get started on moving, because I need to leave here and go back home because I've got some stuff to do back home. So, oh my god, I'm staying back home. This is gonna be my new home. Am I ready? Whew. I don't think I am. She's not, she ain't ready. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you somewhere in this space sometime soon. Okay, bye bye.